My name is Jessica Baxis, and I'm a project coordinator and system designer for Enterprise Systems Group. In today's session, I will be walking you through how to set up your brand new Mitel NewPoint voicemail box. Be sure to reference your user guide for the first-time initial login and setup instructions that I will be walking you through today. On your Mitel phone, the first thing you will want to do is find your message key and press your message envelope key.
Hello, mailbox 2135. Please enter your passcode.
Everybody's initial first-time login passcode is listed on your user guide, and that will be 1234.
Welcome to your voice message center. I will be helping you set up your own personal mailbox. First, we will set a passcode to keep your mailbox private. Second, we will record a greeting for your callers. Finally, we will record your name in your own voice. I will tell you what keys to press. Let's get started.
So the NewPoint operator will walk you through the 3 steps following your user guide. First and foremost, you'll be changing that passcode to something more secure. It cannot be 1234, and it can be between 4 to 10 digits long. The NewPoint operator will then have you record your prime personal greeting. Your user guide will provide a sample greeting that you can follow, or you can record your own. And then finally, she will have you record your first and last name. All 3 steps must be completed in order for your brand new NewPoint voicemail box to be set up. In the next session, I'll be walking you through how to check a brand new voicemail message. Now I'm going to be walking you through how to check a voicemail box message on your new mailbox. First and foremost, you're going to notice 2 things when you have a new message. This message waiting indicator bar on the very top of your phone, along with the envelope key, will be flashing red when you have a new message to check. All you need to do is either pick up your handset or press your speakerphone to get dial tone, and then press that flashing message key, which will be logging you into the voicemail. Be sure when the system operator prompts you to enter in your PIN that you're choosing the PIN that you set up on your initial voicemail box setup.
Hello.
Demo phone mailbox.
Please enter your passcode. You have 1 unplayed message. Press P to play the first message.
At this point, you can follow the key prompts from the system operator, either using your dial pad, or remember, the top 3 keys or 6 keys on your Mitel phone are those soft keys that will give you those shortcut options to play your messages and delete your messages as well. Be sure to reference that voicemail quick reference guide for the additional features of your new voicemail box. One feature I do like to let everybody know is out there is the extended absence greeting. If you look at your user guide under U for user options and then G for change greeting, there's an option to record and enable an extended absence greeting. If you are going to be out of the office, either on vacation or away, and you would like a different message to play to your callers, follow those menu prompts to set up that extended absence greeting. That greeting will play in the interim that you're gone. Then the next time you come back into the office and log into your voicemail box, the first thing the system operator will prompt you to do is disable that extended absence greeting. By disabling it, she will automatically put back on that prime personal greeting for you, and you will never have to re-record that. Thanks so much for sitting in on your new voicemail features, and we'll see you next time.